Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to start mining Ravencoin. Ravencoin is a proof of work coin and it is here for a long time. First thing you need is to find Ravencoin wallet address. On the web page of Ravencoin, ravencoin.org, on the first page you will find these two buttons. One is says get your wallet. Click on this button and it will show a different version of wallets supported for this coin. This is the original Ravencoin wallet, and if you don't like this wallet, you may use some other wallet. It is supported by Atomic Wallet, by Exodus, Garda, and many other wallets. If you want, you can try some different wallet. For purpose of this video, I will use standard Windows wallet. Also, if you want to you don't want to install any kind of wallet, you can use address from any exchange. Many exchanges are supporting Ravencoin. You can see this that Ravencoin is listed on Binance, on KAWPOW, on MEXC, on KAWPOW, Kucoin. So you can use address for any of these exchanges. I will now download the Windows wallet and start the file. It will say welcome to the Ravencore 64-bit setup wizard. Next, I will use default folder, install. Now it says completed. Next, and click on the run Ravencore. Use default data directory. OK. And it will start syncing with the network. Now you have two options: create new wallet or recreate an existing wallet. I will create new wallet. Accept. You can choose some different languages. English. Now it says generate new C words. Generate. Copy and this copy these seed words on safe place and save it. You may enter an optional extension wallet to protect your seed. OK. Accept. And now we are ready to start the wallet. Now it says that it's syncing with the network. You can hide this. Click on the hide button. You can hide this and it will start syncing in background. As you may see, it says connecting to peers and it needs to catch up with 4 years and 38 weeks behind. So this is, as I say, older coin, and it has a pretty big blockchain. It has many blocks to sync, but this is something that the wallet can do in background. You need to go to receive, name your in the label, put any kind of name. I will start mining and click on the request payment, and now you will get your wallet address. Copy this address and save it. Okay, we are done with the wallet. So next thing is to find pool where to mine this coin. On the mining pool stats, you can type it Raven, and you will find Ravencoin. As you can see, it has plenty of pools to choose. For the purpose of this video, I will choose two miners. Two miners is the largest pool for Ravencoin, and it also you may mine Ravencoin and get paid in Bitcoin if you don't want Raven coins. So you have two options to mine and get Ravencoin, or you can mine Ravencoin and get Bitcoin. Click on how to start, and you will see different options for different regions for Ravencoin. For AMD, you need to use Team Red Miner. For all miner, for NVIDIA, you may use Gminer and T-Rex. I will use, I don't know, maybe T-Rex for this video. On Google, type T-Rex miner, and the first link, click on the first link, and you can download from GitHub. Choose this file for Windows. Wait for the download. Now open this file, extract it. Okay. Once you've extracted this file, go to your download folder and go to your download folder. I will extract it again because in the T-Rex folder. Okay. Now, when you open T-Rex folder, you will find already prepared batch files. So you need to find Raven. Here is Raven, Ravana 2miners.bat. Edit this file, right click on the file and click on edit. And now you will see options. You need to change here just your wallet address and the rig name. Find your wallet address, copy and paste in the batch file. Paste and rename your worker name. Okay, save it, save, and now you are ready to start mining Ravencoin. You may close this batch file, and now you need to double click on the on this batch file. I will start MSI Afterburner. Okay, and now double click on your batch file, and now it is start mining Ravencoin. It said generating DAC 3.57 gigabytes. You can mine Ravencoin with 4 GB cards, 6 GB cards, 8 GB cards, and greater. You cannot mine Ravencoin with 2 GB cards. As you can see, the T-Rex miner is started mining. We will wait to find some share. Okay, as you can see, I am getting 9.02 mega hashes for my graphic card. My graphic card is 1060, 6 GB, GTX 1060, 6 GB. It will take some time with just one card to find some share. Okay, I will try to a little bit overclock. Now I get one share. Here it is. It says that I am getting shares. I will try to overclock it a little bit to see if I get some improvement on. So this card can do around 9 mega hashes per second. You may try now, go to the two miners pool, and where it says your wallet address, paste your wallet address and search it to see your results. Okay, I see that my test worker is on the pool and it is mining. I am getting shares. It says total 2 shares, 2 valid shares. So everything is okay. This is how you start mining Ravencoin on two miners pool. For additional information, you can go to what to mine to see what is your profits on this card. Now, if I enter 9 mega hashes and around 100 and I don't know 30 watts for this card, click on calculate and you will get that you will mine around 2 coins. I will mine around 2 coins a day, which is 0.08 dollars, or profits are in minus right now. We know how the situation is with all coins now. For additional information, go to CoinMarketCap, type Ravencoin, and you will find current price, website, communities, markets. As you can see, Binance, KAWPOW, Huobi, Kucoin, Bitrex, any larger exchange out there has Ravencoin on their site.